We don't have a youth epidemic of vaping in New Zealand. We don't have a youth epidemic of smoking. Smoking rates in New Zealand youth, 14 and 15-year-olds, are down to 2%. Unprecedented, if I can use that word, achievement, as they are in many other countries. Vaping on a daily basis is at about 3%, still very low. A lot of experimental use, no question. 30% of 14 and 15-year-olds have tried vaping, but then they try everything available to them under the sun, whether that's other drugs, whether that's alcohol, drink driving, unsafe sex. So kids do experiment, but that doesn't make occasional and very rare regular vaping a public health problem. And in New Zealand there is some evidence, not totally convincing yet, that vaping by young people is beginning to replace smoking. So I expect the smoking rates will continue to fall in New Zealand youth and that there is no cause for alarm.